Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up sausage with peppers and onions. Oh hell yeah, like the state fair has, right? Cheers. Had to come up with a reason to use the griddle finally. So I seasoned it up yesterday. Let's clean it up again because I had a little bit of a mess with some cornbread, some drippings from my pulled pork sandwich from yesterday. So let's get that going. And yeah, we're going to cut up some sausage links, peppers, onions, and some sausage patties for the kids. They love that. And inside we're just throwing in some fries and onion rings in the oven because I just got out of work. Quick and easy. Hell yeah. that time. Oh, hell yeah. Cheers, folks. Oh, hell yeah. Sausage, peppers, and onions. Hot. Oh, yeah. Man, just like the state fair, it's awesome. Woo. Cheers, folks. Let's give that a try. A second try, that is. Without dropping too much stuff. That's rocking. Ooh. Ooh, that's rocking. That is good. Now I gotta clean up this griddle, and boy, the heat that comes off that, if you got it on high, shanty is warm as hell. Although we do have a little bit of a heat wave coming through, high of 45 tomorrow, and rain, everything should melt. So that's fantastic. We'll see what's going on with the rain. It's gonna turn ice. Cheers, folks. Subscribe if it's your first time. Hit the thumbs up, please, and that bell. And I will catch you guys on the next cook. Starting to feel a little bit better. Oh, yesterday, I was sicker than a dog, but I made it through. So today, just took some medicine. Feeling all right. How about you guys? Comment down below. Winter blues, colds. Get yourself a cold brew and a nice sausage sandwich. Hell yeah. Peace.